ChatGPT encountered the following error. A network error occurred. Please check your connection and try again. Let's see how to fix this error. Solution 1. Open control panel. Go to network connections. Right click Wi-Fi adapter. Go to properties. Open Internet Protocol version 4 properties. If you use static IP, then check both the IP address and default gateway. Both should not be same. If it is same, then change the IP address. Otherwise, you can select obtain an IP address automatically, DHCP option. Click OK. Solution 2. Open Windows, define the firewall with advanced settings. From outbound rules, check whether any of the following ports are blocked. Port number 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480. If ports are blocked, then disable rule to allow the ports. This will fix the error. Subscribe.